Now you see if you have to move. Go that way. The button's right there. You gotta move, quick.
It's gonna eat you alive. That's my boat. Goodbye, Sailor.
You lost me!
Bye, Sailor. Goodbye, crocodile would get eaten alive.
Look, Mommy, see the moon.
Yeah, that means to go around and come back.
I'm waiting for her.
She's busy.
Wait. Look how deep this is. It's all the way on there. I close her.
Nice face, Tasha.
I can't get in.
I know.
Mom, can we do this tomorrow?
I don't care.
With what? Buttons and coupons?
I have $4.
Yeah.
Oh, the sea moves. And only the kayak.
Maybe. Catch your thing, Tasha. It's going to fall. Turn around.
Other side.
Melanie, get over here.
What are you talking about? This one's easier.
Okay, how deep is it where Melanie is?
Really deep?
Come on, girls, let's go now. Swim back here.
Yeah, this one's easier. You're dumb.
That one's harder.
Come on, girls.
Okay, well, that one's yours. This one's mine then, right?
Okay. Come in.
Melanie, no floating. Just come.
This water's good.
It's deep, eh?
No, it's good. The water's yummy in my tummy. Momo's not deep. Hey, this is me on my tippy toes. I cannot stand.
Come on.
This is me on my tippy toes.
Come on, let's go. Lena, Tasha, I'll meet you back at the trailer. Be safe. Yeah.
Be safe, I love you. I hurt Tasha. I hurt Tasha. I broken her Lena. I broken her Lena.
Okay, Melanie, let's go. My battery's dying. It's gonna croak.
Croak?
It's gonna croak. Come on, Mel, let's go.
The boat got Fella's not deep. How is it floating in its own water? Mom,
What?
look it.
That's gross.
Mom, I found a clamshell! What? Right here! I'm grabbing it! I'm grabbing it! You don't have a clamshell! You don't have a clamshell! I'm picking it out of the...
Come on, get out, girls.
I saw something jump!
Yeah, it's fish.
It's a fish! Awesome! I'm gonna go get it.
No, come on, let's go.
I'm gonna pick up the clam. Okay, I think one of them is out of the boat.
She is.
Which one? Mom?
I'm not sure.
I hope Lena.
I think it was Tasha.